Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, like I said, today we're reviewing pig and chick, and my first time here. It's basically a Korean restaurant, and it's down in Unionville. And like I said, all the information is there. You can give them a call, order it up, and I heard good reviews about it so far. So, definitely looking forward to it and see. I see something else right here. This looks yummy. Enjoy crinkle powder arrived from Korea. Blue cheese, cheddar cheese, onion, and garlic flavored magic seasoning. So for the first timers, what would you recommend?
I would recommend the chicken lunch combo. So you get to try a little bit of everything. You get an appetizer, a seaweed roll, a side of chicken, a side of French fries, and
okay,
rice,
nice.
and then complimentary kimchi radish.
Okay, so for first timers here, that's what you recommend, eh? Yeah. Okay, no worries. And like you said, you guys specialize in pig and chicken.
Yes.
Okay, nice. And it's Korean style.
Yes.
Okay, sure. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'll definitely go with that for the first time. Let's skim through the menu for, you know. Oh, for all you guys who like spicy stuff, definitely check that out. And they got Korean drinks, Korean sodas. One in the tea, juice box, Korean drink. Crunchy pear, chunky grape. I mean, I would try, but I ain't that brave yet. Oh, and then they got Korean bear too. They got domestic bear and imported bear, local bear. Oh, so I guess these are the Korean bear. Apple, grape, grapefruit yogurt. Those sound good, man. Those sound more like a cider beer. But yeah, so I'm at a pig and chick down in Unionville. Oh. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Let me know if you need any more kimchi or radish.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Alright guys, the food has arrived. Look at that. We got the Korean fried wings. Ooh, that looks good. I wish you guys could smell it too. Look at the fries. And we got what we got here? Oh, we got some wontons. Nice, with some Korean sauce on there. We got a wonton there. I'm not sure what this one is, but definitely gonna find out. And then we got some kimchi, which Koreans are known for, their kimchi. I've tried kimchi before, and I love it. And I'm not sure what this one is, but yeah, man. These wings, guys, they're looking. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I'm gonna try before I put any sauce on it, like ketchup or anything like that. So here it goes. Alright, I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, crunchy, hot, full of flavor. I wouldn't say too salty or anything. I'll just say, just right. They put the right chicken seasoning on it. Like it's full of flavor. Look at that. Look at the steam. And it's crunchy, like I said. This is hot. Ooh. Let it cool down. Have some French fries. I like the French fries. I think I know what kind of French fries these are. French fries, it's good. I mean, can't go wrong with French fries, you know what I mean? French fries out of 10, I give it a 7, give it an 8. It's crunchy, it's not soggy, it's crunchy, not over salty, just right. You know, I'm gonna give it an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8. Because the French fries are good. When you get good French fries, you gotta appreciate that. So I'm not gonna downplay on it. They are good. I mean, they're fried to perfection. I mean, look at the color, nice and golden.
One time they gave us like a nice coffee instead. Neither of them wanted the rest. So we just went out.
Now, like I said, I'm not sure what this one is. I thought it was gonna be, maybe it's a spring roll. Maybe it's like a Korean style spring roll. You guys let me know. Comment down in the comments and let me know. Okay. Look at that inside. I think what that is, seaweed. That tastes good. I think it's a seaweed spring roll. And it got, I would say, I want to say that's an oyster sauce. Look at that. That's actually good. I'm not gonna lie. Korean spring roll. You got seaweed in there with some oyster sauce. Very good. I recommend you guys try that out. Let's see if the chicken wings are cooled down. Looking at it, I can tell that they put. I'm not sure what that is. Like, they definitely battered this, floured it, deep fried it to perfection because it's crispy, flavorful, and hot. Hot. Out of 10, I'm gonna give it a 9. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Because I'm not gonna lie, this is really good. This is, to me, this is better than KFC right now. This is beating Popeye's chicken. Like, this ain't far from my place. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna start making this my one of my number one spots. When I want chicken, fried chicken, it's gonna be it.
Getting new braces again would cost triple that. Like more than that.
Look at the steam.
If you were here right now, tell us immediately or else over.
I'm telling you, flavor is there. Crunchiness, everything is there. You know what? 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give this Korean fried chicken 10 out of 10. Oh, I definitely recommend this way. Ooh. And I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's a lot of food for special. They have lunch specials from Sunday to Saturday. I know normally places have specials, lunch specials. They're normally Monday to Friday, but they got a lunch special even Saturdays and Sunday on the weekend. I think the price and the size, the portion of the food is really good. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 7 wings, a whole pile of fries, and kimchi on the side. And like I said, I had the spring roll, Korean spring roll, which was really good. Had seaweed in there. All of that for like, I'll let you guys know. I forgot the price already. But like I said, loving it. Pig and chick, definitely a spot to check out in Unionville. Like, I can't get over the fact how much food I got just for the price, but I'll put it right in the description. But yeah, guys, definitely recommend it. I've always heard about Korean fried chicken, and here it is now, and I've tried it, and like I said, 10 out of 10. Recommend it to anybody. This is beating Popeye's chicken, KFC chicken, and any other fried chicken I've tried. Church's chicken is beating Church's chicken too. Like, I'm not exaggerating, guys. Come down here and prove me wrong. I'm gonna check out their menu and see what else they recommend. I'm gonna have to come by again. Maybe come with a few friends. Let them try the wings. Give their review as well. Like I said, I give it a 10 out of 10. And I'm gonna try and review some other stuff. But yeah, man, so far I'm loving it. I'm happy that I came here. I'm happy that the owners allowed me to do a review. And just, you know, remember, like, share, and subscribe, and keep supporting me, guys. Have a good one. Bye.